When you have a liquidation and price immediately created the market structure shift, you observe the FVG within it. If the MSS has an FVG, then it's a strong key levels to position and execute your trades. It means that the liquidation from this swing allows institutions to purchase bulk orders and makes the price forms an imbalance in the market. When price reaches this area, you go down time frame and look for an entry, and then you target this structure high or the 50% swing from the left. Let me give you a perfect illustration from just the recent price action on January 19, 2026. Here on the weekly, we have this previous weekly low that got taken out. Going down to the daily, this previous weekly low happened to be previous daily low as well. Going down to the H4, on the H4, the H4 swept this low and immediately created the market structure shift. This market structure shift disrespected this H4 sell side imbalance, and it created this H4 buy side imbalance right here. And this H4 buy side imbalance is now overlapping with this H4 sell side imbalance that we can now take as an H4 BC. Going down to the M15, here we're gonna see the fractal nature of the market. The M15 did the similar thing of the H4, which is the liquidation of this M15 low. And to disrespect of this M15 sell side imbalance into the creation of this M15 BC. Personally, the way I'm going to execute this is something like this. Before I place any trades, I always make sure that I already have my targets for my take profit. So let's go up to the daily chart. Here we have this daily structure. And on this H4, looking at this daily structure from the H4 perspective, we have an H4 50% buy side liquidity. And here we also have an H4 buy side liquidity. So now that I have my targets, I can now place my entry. My entry is gonna be at the close of this M15 bullish candle because it swept these key levels right here. Stop loss at this low. Target this 50% H4 BSL. Adjust the entry level to get a minimum 3 RR. So we can see with the TP the next day. This H4 BSL right here is where I'm going to take my break even.